Good morning everyone. Yesterday everyone read the lesson. See, today I explain the notes. Okay, the first everyone knows. The first one is new words. I read this new words. I already sent these notes. See, the first one is 16th, advisor, emperor, scholars, musicians, artists, Navaratnas, admired. Intelligence, worried, valuables, stolen, possible, problem, applied, caught, touched. Okay. The next one is give the meanings of. Everyone write this way. Clear? Not write meanings. You write give the meanings of. Then make a two column. In the first lesson I already told this one. Make a two columns. The first one is words and the second one is meanings, and write one by one meanings. Clear? And the first one is right here. It is a advisor. You write the answer. This column, meanings column, you write it. A person who tells you what you should do. Then you underline this one. After one meanings over, one word and meanings over, you underline it. Then you write the second word. Okay. So you write these all meanings. Okay. And the third one is frame sentence song. I had given only here two, admired and valuables. I have written the sentence. I make the sentence, but you make your own sentence. That's good. Okay. You write this one, but you make your own sentence. What do you do it? You first you search that what is the meaning of admired. Okay. आपको पता चल गया होने से what do you do it? You make your own sentence. Clear? The next one is here. It is not a question answer. They given some sentence and rest of them we fill it. Clear? The complete this I read this one. I will read now. Birbal thought that the thief must be one of the minister because. See, Birbal thought that the thief must be one of the ministers. Birbal socha. Birbal think that the thief is one of our minister. Why he think that? Because no thief would dare to enter a minister's house. दूसरा किसी को उसका मिनिस्टर का हाउस में एंटर होने के लिए, अंदर जाने के लिए मीन्स हिम्मत नहीं है. Okay, so no thief would dare to enter a minister's house. See the second one. Birbal asked the guard to get a donkey to the court and tie it to the pillar. What he asked to Birbal asked to the guard? He asked to the guard to get a donkey to the court and tie it to the pillar. Donkey को लेके आके कोर्ट में पिलर में टाई करके रखने के लिए. Third one. All ministers touched the donkey's tail and said, what they said? All the ministers come and catch the donkey's tail. What they said? I have not stolen. What they said? I have not stolen. Next, fourth one is Alim Khan did not have any black patch on his palms as he only pretended to touch the donkey's tail. See, Alim Khan did not have any black patch on his palm. Why? Alim Khan have no black patch on his palm. What happened there? Why it happened? See, he only pretended to touch the donkey's tail. He was not catch it. He is only pretended to touch the tail. So he was not black patch. He has no black patch. Clear? Next one activity is there. This one already I sent it. See, children who never tell lies always grow up to honest people. Everyone write this one in a red paper, okay, and write in a and paste in the book. Okay, see, I read it. Children who never tell lies always grow up to honest people. When children lie, the way we respond can build their honesty and strengthen our talk about values, model honesty. Telling the truth and backing it up with actions show respect. Encourage honesty. Talk to your children about it. Means to be honest and why honesty is an important value. Clear? Everyone write this one in a paper and paste in your notebook. Clear? So, our lesson completed. Everyone read this one. Next day I revise this lesson. Okay? Bye.